Beautiful sky, na? Look at those birds. Really like looking at those birds, moving in a V shape, so perfectly aligned, they have to maintain the same, distance, speed as other birds. Yes, looking at the sky can be boring, but sometimes it can be very relaxing. Having a nice sunny sky is like nowadays a privilege. With all this pollution going around, being able to see regular clouds is very nice. Is that the thing which you had like since childhood? Oh, going to throw it away? Okay. You can give it to someone for charity, na? Find a poor kid. Yeah, I know it's got old and now you don't use it, but don't just discard it. It meant a lot to you back in the day. You know. I remember when you were young, and I used to play with it every day, and you were very possessive about it. You know, and this happens, people are like attached to something, and then they get it, and after some time they get bored and they just want to throw it away. Sometimes we have to move on from the things we have, but you have to remember that that thing meant a lot to us as well. You know. One moment it was the most important thing for us, and the next moment it means nothing to us. People do this with people as well. It's okay to want newer better things. I know you are not going to use it in future or even right now, but things which we had or things which we have right now may seem very ordinary. Things may seem like, oh my god, I am like fed up of this thing, I don't want it, like how I'm like looking into the future. In future I will not have this, I'll be so happy in future. Whenever like people set goals, they are like always thinking about the amazing future they will have, like amazing, and right now the present is just like pathetic. Oh my god, when will I like move towards my goal in future and get rid of the things which I have right now? People when they get something, they like lot of times take things for granted. What they have is not good enough. Grass is always greener on the other side. It's okay to want new things, even I want new things, even I have planned my future, what I'm going to do, what I want to do. Like I have goals in my mind, but then like I'm watching a lot of philosophical videos, and I've like realized that in future my life is going to be very different, and I won't have what I have right now. Sometimes it can be good, sometimes you are surrounded by negative things, negative people, people who are putting you down, or bad moments are you are facing right now. So you'll be like, yes, finally I'm like, I don't have to deal with this anymore. But then you will also lose the good moments you have, some like good people you have in your life, some good things around you. which you like really care about, you won't ever see. Sometimes the person you have talked to might this might be the last time you will talk to that person, you know. Maybe you won't ever meet that person again. Either either they might die or they might just lose contact, you know. Sometimes I don't even realize I was talking to my friend for the last time, you know. There was no fight, nothing and nothing at all, but just afterwards we both, you know, were busy, you know. They moved on with their life, I moved on with my life, and I didn't even realize that I am not messaging them since over a year. Yeah, I totally agree. You have to like value what you have, you know. It's good to, you know, aim high, aim something better, but whatever you have is also very special, you know. Like, you know, we, you know, for YouTube, you know, I always like wanted, you know, I was getting only 100 views per video, and then I always used to watch other YouTube videos, and then people used to comment a lot, you know. People, oh my god, I watched that video, would you make this video, you know. There were lots of comments on the video, you know, and like they like able to earn money from it, you know. They were like small channels, you know, 4 5 thousand to 3,000, around the same as mine. And I always used to like look at them and like wish that people also like comment on my videos, you know, because my video only had one or two comments barely. Sometimes I didn't even get single one. So, you know, like I used to ask like, what can I do for my next video, what should I do, and like there was no one to comment, you know. So like I used to feel very like lonely, and this happened for several months, and several months like there was no response. 100 200 views, there was no hope of, you know, being able to monetize. So always like used to wish for it that people enough watch my video regularly, you know. So nowadays after few months, you know, like this wish has been fulfilled, you know. Like for my videos or even my community post, you know, people do comment, you know. People do like repeated comments, you know. First in my video they had commented, a few months later they again comment. Some comment on all of my almost all of my videos. And now I'm thinking, oh my god, I wish I like have, you know, 100,000 subscribers, and I get, you know, over 100,000 views, you know. 1,000 views per video is not good enough, you know. But few months back, you know, I used to like hope and pray that I get, you know, over 1,000 views, and I get like comments on my videos. People like something comment something, because I had like zero comments, you know. You know, what I have right now was my like dream few months back, and now what I have, you know, is not good enough. You know, in future, like maybe in few months, I will get 100,000 subscriber and 100,000 views per video. And I'll be like, yes, I got that much, and then that will also be lame, you know. Then I will think, oh my god, I should get million subscribers and over million, 10 million views, you know. And when I get million, 10 million, that will be like, oh my god, I should be the number one YouTuber in the world. You know, when we get something, especially when we get it easily, we kind of take it for granted, you know. We don't value that thing, you know, because you have got it so easily. Like if you want to buy a car, if you are a rich person, for you an expensive car won't be a big deal. You're like, hey, I will just get it from my bank balance, and I can buy multiple cars of that color. So but someone who is like very poor, someone who is like struggling, for them buying one car is also a very big deal, even low budget. Sometimes some people like want a low budget car which is second hand, and that is also very very difficult to buy. Like they save money for several months and years to get that second hand car, and the person who buys that second hand car out of several months of like saving, for them the car is more special than that very expensive car which the rich person has bought. The car mean a lot to that poor person who like had to like really really struggle to get that car. The poor person will understand the value of that car, but the rich person, for them it will be just a commodity, like this is one of my several car collection. And there are lots of people who are like that, who I've seen videos where like they have like huge cars collection, they have entire garage filled with multiple cars. For them just buying a car is not a big deal, it's something which they do out of boredom. They don't value what they have. For them they are like very ungrateful, and I have seen lot of rich people say money doesn't matter, it doesn't matter because you have lots of it. You have taken money for granted. If you were like poor, then you won't say like money doesn't matter, because poor people know how much money matters. The comfortable life which you have is because you have got money. When you like get rich, you will like not consider money as important. If you will have some other goals which you are like looking forward towards, you will like, maybe something even more richer. Like if you are a millionaire, you will aim to be a billionaire. If you are a billionaire, you will aim to be a trillionaire. Nowadays there is competition on who will become the first trillionaire. And when someone gets there, that won't be enough. And it's okay to like want. And it's okay to upgrade. And it's okay to complain also. Sometimes life is not going good. But in future, what we have right now, we may never have again. This moment is gone forever. Like, I am sitting over here. Maybe in future I will be like somewhere else, and I may never get a chance to be over here, or I will hardly get a chance to be over here. This thing I sometimes may miss, like I will be like missing this thing, missing this place, What are you thinking? Yeah, moving on can be difficult, but it feels strange, something like something which was like your entire life, the entire day you used to like be with that person, be in that place, doing that thing, and 1 year later, none of this is there with you. Your life has completely changed. You may feel like upgraded, but part of you like will remember those old days. And sometimes something which can be very very close to you, which you will never be in contact with again. In 1 year I will still have touch with this place, but maybe I will not be touch with some people who have right now. Sometimes you will be like, I want to go there, but you cannot. Be grateful for all the moments you have. You can be living someone's dream life, Just like what? Definitely. you know, you know, have goals, but don't just live in the future or live in the past. I had bad moments in the past, and my future is going to be fantastic. You know, life is happening now. Whatever is being created is being created now, and like you have to enjoy your now. If you're enjoying your now every moment, then you won't have to be having something to be happy. Like if you're just enjoying now, you will not take what you have for granted. You will not need something to be happy. Like those people who are rich take money for granted, money doesn't mean anything to them. Poor people like always craving for money. I want money, I want money. And people feel if they get money now, they will be happy. This happiness will only last for few moments, and the poor people who become rich will also be saying like money doesn't matter. Happiness comes from within. Whatever you have, God is giving you an experience, good, bad, whatever it may be. Experience it. Experience life right now. Be grateful for what you have right now. Maybe this moment can be the best moment of your life, and you won't ever get it again. Yes, if you want to keep that thing longer, you can. Or find someone who will care for this thing as much as you cared for it. Sure, we can go and look for someone together.